So the next concept we are going to discuss is periodicity of physical properties of elements. So the first one is atomic size. And what is atomic size? It is nothing but the size of an atom, which is defined as the distance between nucleus and valence shell of an atom is called atomic size. Correct? The distance between the nucleus and valence shell of an atom is called atomic size. So what happens to the atomic size in a periodic table? So in a periodic table means what happens to the atomic size along the period, means in a period or in rows, what happens to the atomic size as we move from left to right along the row, or what happens to the atomic size from top to bottom along the group of the periodic table. So first we will discuss along period. Okay. So what does period represents? First that we should know. Period represents the number of orbits present in an atom. Yes or no? So first period there is only one orbit. Second period there are two orbits. Third period there are three orbits. Fourth period four. Correct or no? So along the period, all the elements along the period, number of orbits remains the same. Correct or no? So for example, if I take the third period, then the first element is sodium Na. The atomic number is 11. Next one is magnesium Mg, whose atomic number is 12. Third one is aluminium Al, whose atomic number is 13. Fourth one is silicon, whose atomic number is 14. Fifth one is phosphorus, whose atomic number is 15. Correct or no? Then what happens to the atomic size along the period as we move from left to right along the period? Correct? What changes we can see in this elements present in a periodic table? Here there are 11 electrons and 11 protons. Here 12 electrons, 12 protons, so on. 15 electrons, 15 protons, and so on. So when we go for the next element, one electron is increasing every time. Correct or no? So if electrons are increasing, then the nuclear charge increases, but number of orbits are remaining same. It is in the third period, so here 3 orbits are there, here also 3 orbits are there, here also 3 orbits are there. But number of electrons and number of protons are increasing. Yes or no? If number of protons and number of electrons are increasing and number of orbits remains the same, then what happens? Nuclear charge increases, then nuclear attraction increases. Correct or no? If nuclear attraction increases, the valence shell will contract, and due to which atomic size will decrease. Correct? See, along period, electrons increases. Correct or no? If electrons increases one by one, then the nuclear charge increases. Correct or no? If nuclear charge is increasing, then the nuclear attraction, that force of attraction from the nucleus to the electrons in the valence shell increases. Correct or no? If nuclear attraction increases, the atom, the valence orbit or shell contracts, due to which the atomic size of elements decreases. Correct or no? See, if I draw a sodium structure, atomic structure, so there is 1, 2 and 3 orbits. Here there are 2 electrons, 8 electrons, 1 electron. The next, magnesium 1, 2 and 3. Then aluminum 1, 2 and 3. Then silicon 1, 2, 3. Then phosphorus 1, 2 and 3. So on. The atomic size decreases along the period because force of attraction or the nuclear attraction increases, so the valence orbit will contract. Okay, so this is along the period.